Organic Mixology for our Drink With Us segment. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a chocolate banana riff on an old fashioned that I call Monkey in a Top Hat. Okay, so grab your rocks glass. We're going to start with 2 dashes black walnut bitters. So strong dashes there. Next, we are going to add dark chocolate and sea salt liqueur for the chocolate in the drink. I'm going to do about a ½ ounce of that. Okay. And for the banana flavor, I'm going to be using Banana de Brazil. It's a banana liqueur, and I like this one because it is a bit more natural in taste and flavor than, say, some of the others that have numbers in their names. So just a ¼ ounce of that. It's strong, the flavor does come through. Add that in. And for our base spirit today, I'm going to be using rum. Add a little tropical twist here, old fashioned. I use Appleton for this drink, but feel free to use any other kind of Jamaican rum. Go in 2 ounces of that. Okay. So, pretty simple base recipe. Now just add in a whiskey rock or else just a larger ice cube if you have. Take my bar spoon. We're going to stir this to chill it and dilute it. So give that a little stir, maybe about 30 seconds on that. Okay. And now, thank you, trusty assistant. I have our garnish right here. Ooh, I also require a knife if I could. So, for the garnish on this one, I have dipped this banana in dark chocolate. So basically, you're gonna want to melt dark chocolate over a double boiler, cut a banana, dip it in. I like to use a fork, a little easier to then pull it up. Put on some parchment paper and freeze for about 1 hour to 3 hours. So then we've got our chocolate banana right here. Gonna take a sharp knife, cut through, there we go. Cut through, put a little slit in there so you can see, and slide that on. There we go. And now we have our monkey in a top hat. Cheers, y'all. Thanks everyone for watching, and please subscribe below and go to organicmixology.com to purchase dark chocolate and sea salt and check out the other flavors.